So welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchens. In today's video we are up in Essex and I'm going to be talking you through this Nolita kitchen and Titan pergola that we have just installed. So I'm not sure if any of you know or not, but we actually sponsor a podcast, a barbecue podcast called the Meat Greet BBQ Podcast.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Meat Greet BBQ Podcast. Today we have another stateside guest.
I think it's probably a good time, Sarah, that we move on to one of the things that we hold very dear on the podcast, and we want to hear about some of the cooks that don't go so well.
And this house actually belongs to Owen from the podcast. So he reached out to us looking for a shelter and an outdoor kitchen. We went back and forth with a few ideas. He's got an addiction to barbecues, it'd be fair to say. I think he's got quite a few barbecues, so he wanted to try and integrate as many of those into the kitchen that he could. So this install has been part of a sort of a wider renovation. So Owen has had this whole side of the garden completely repatioed with porcelain tiles. They're a creamy colour. So on top of that, we have put this Nova Titan pergola. So this pergola is 6 meters long by 3 meters wide, and it's in the grey colour. It's the manual pergola, so you've got the handles there and there to open and close all of the louvres. That keeps all of the rain out. You can see along the back here as well, he's got the deluxe pull down screens. So these provide shade, and actually today the sun is right over there. It's really, really bright. So they've really come into use today, which is why we've pulled them down. So you can see that with this being a 6 meter, you've got 2 3 meter by 3 meter areas. This space over here has been set aside for seating, which is really useful. You could also put table and chairs under there for dining also. And then along here, you can see we've got this L-shaped, this is a Nolita kitchen. So Nolita are a Portuguese brand. These are metal, they're aluminium frames, and you can see the doors are also. The doors have got the holes in them here to allow you to open and close them. They do have ceramic doors as well as an option. They're available in lots of different colours. So starting at the end here, we have got a double unit. So this is a 1200mm unit. It's simply got a shelf in there, lots of space, lots of storage for keeping all your accessories, charcoal, wood chips and things like that. To the right of that, you've got another, this is a 600mm unit with a shelf in it. Again, lots of storage. Coming along to the right from there, you've got the Casa outdoor fridge. So that's essential for keeping all your food, keeping all your drinks cold. And then again, to the right of that, another 1200 unit. So along here, you can see you've got loads and loads of storage. And then this, I think this is probably about a 3 meter length of prep space. So you can be doing pizzas, prepping meats, food, serving things as well. That's a really, really decent amount of space for prep and serving. In the corner here, you've got the Delivita wood-fired oven. That's in the emerald green color. Here, you've got the Somerset Grill. Now, this thing is an absolute beast. We've only, I think, put one of these into one of our kitchens before, and it wasn't integrated. It was on the trolley. So this would run on wood. So you put wood up here, you set a light to it. Once it burns, the charcoal drops down, comes to the front here, and then you can do all your cooking on here. It's got this pulley here, so you can higher and lower the cooking surface here, like that. You can get rotisseries for it. There's lots and lots of different ways of cooking. It's a real theatre way of cooking. It's really, really cool. And you can see that we put that on these feet and we've raised it up about 50mm off the worktop just to allow airflow to get underneath there. That sits on what would be an undergrill unit. So normally if you have a gas barbecue or anything like that, they have the sides would come up. In this case, we've just got rid of those sides, brought the worktop along, and that sits on there. So the cooking height is at the perfect height for cooking, and you've got the storage underneath as well for all of your wood and your charcoal. On the end here, you've got a Kamado unit, which is just a half height unit, and on there he's got the Broil King Keg. So that's a charcoal smoker, great for slow cooking things, briskets, pulled pork, ribs and things like that. For the worktops on this kitchen, we have used Duracell Niagara. So this is an acrylic worktop. It's 12mm thick. It's a really lovely colour. It's like a marbly, it's got bluey sort of greyish tints in it. It works really well with the anthracite of the kitchen here, and you can see also that the color of the kitchen matches the pergola exactly. So you can see you've got the kitchen all the way around here. You still leaves lots of space here. So obviously Owen's got he's got other tables, he's got Blackstones and other barbecues as well, so he can bring those out, keep them here whenever he wants to use those as well. So there you go, another install completed. If you are looking for an outdoor kitchen or you're looking for ideas, inspiration, make sure to follow our channel on YouTube. We try and post these videos at least once a week just to help you, give you some ideas. We also have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all of the socials, so head over there. We'll leave links below. Give us a follow if you want to see what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.